speech because I've been giving speech for the last 2 days. I think today my talk will be more of maybe a thank you note. I know this school this year has been little different. I would not say that this year has been difficult. It was little different. I know it was not so easy to remain inspired while watching the screens. So I'm very pleased with our students who kept themselves upbeat throughout the year, in fact last full year, by just watching at the screens. I'm also very thankful to the teachers. See, when we speak about the school, we say the teachers are the soul of the school. I think during this COVID times, I think you guys showed that who adds the real value to the school. It was teachers and students, and you teachers did an amazing job. We're very, very thankful to you. And I would say during the COVID times, we keep on talking about COVID warriors. I think you were the COVID warriors. I know the school this year has been little challenging, but I'm happy that we were able to do pretty much what any smart person will do. We opened the school in right time, and we took all the right decisions in right time, and that's the reason we are here. We did pretty much everything we usually do in the school year, and that's the reason we are able to be very satisfied when we are closing the school year. So this is for everyone. Well done, everyone. I think you need to give a clap to yourself. And a few days ago, I was fortunate enough to go to the PYP classrooms, and after going to those classrooms, I felt so guilty that why did I not come here before? Because when I went there, I mean, the students were asking, sir, why did you not come before? And you should come here often. And then I did talk to the teachers that, listen, I think call me to the classes so often because I like it. Because to me, sitting in my office is much more boring than sitting, just coming to your classroom. So thank you, PYP, for inviting me to your classes. It was a pleasure to come to your classes and giving you the certificates. And I think this model I like, giving away the certificates in your classes, because I get an opportunity to come to your classes. Moving forward, as I said, that today I have got nothing else but to say thank you. Hopefully, in fact, I'm confident that hopefully is not a, I mean, it's a positive word, but it's not a very positive word. So I'm confident that when we start in August, I mean, there won't be any masks, isn't it? So, I mean, I don't think there's anyone who would not hate masks. How many of you hate masks? Okay, so you love masks. No, we'll allow you to come to the school with masks, right? Next year is going to be a more vibrant year because this year we did miss out so many things. One thing that I did not like is, the seeing the faces with masks, because you could only see the eyes, right? It was very difficult to find out whether the person is happy or angry, right? I think you need to be a very intelligent person to just read the eyes, isn't it? And in the classroom as well, I'm sure the students must have given you surprises, by just talking and you not knowing that who's talking, right? With the mask on. All right. As I said, next year is going to be a vibrant one. The students and the teachers who joined last 2 years, let me tell you that this school is much, much more vibrant and lively than it was this year. I think next year you will be able to see the real trio, isn't it? And next year we are planning, in fact not planning, we've decided already that we'll make the school more student driven. There will be more student-led initiatives. So therefore you will actually see more students taking leadership roles and doing things. One of the things that we have in mind is just setting up a design team from PYP, middle school and high school, and we will be able to design all the publications here itself, because I'm told that there's so many talented students among us, and we would like to give them an opportunity to do some designing as well. All right, and much more. How we are. And from next year we will bring the physical assemblies back. Every Monday we'll have middle school and high school assemblies, and on Tuesdays we'll have PYP assemblies, and how assemblies are. We all just come and enjoy it, right? So that those things will also be there. And there are so many other things as well. I know that so many things are lined up today, so I don't want to take much time. And I invite the other people to come in.